Now the series on lazy hairstyle part 1. So the first thing you want to do is to wet your hair, wet it properly. You can use your hair oil, your hair cream, whatever you want to do, use that, and then start to detangle your hair or start to detangle with your comb. If you want to use whichever one works fine for you. And if you're regular on my page, you know we always use a shoelace. So you want to pack your hair in a puff like so, section it into 5 or 6 depending on how full your hair is, and then you want to start to twist all the way. It's a really simple hairstyle that you can rock to your office, anywhere, basically simple and lazy. So you want to twist that up, and then you want to pack all of the tips of the hair, and then band that up with a tiny rubber band. Tie it up like so. Make sure it's properly tied, and then you want to tuck that in. As simple as that. You can get your bobby pin and pin that properly in place, and there you have it. The part 1 simple updo is done, and now for the part 2. Lazy hairstyles, and this is part 2, butterfly wings. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to wet your hair, and you want to section your hair in 2, separating the left side from the right side, and you want to make sure that the line is straight as possible. If you do not know how to section your hair straight, please get someone to do that for you. I had my younger sister, and she was like, oh, the line is not straight, let me help you do it very well. And I said, okay, go ahead and do it for me. Okay, so she helped me to section the back of my head, which I would usually do myself with mirror, but I said, why not just take the help? Okay, so she did that for me and sectioned the hair, and then it came out really nice. So after you've done that, you want to brush through your hair. Use the brush that's perfect for your hair type, and you want to tie that. I used normal knitting wool to tie up the hair, and then tie up the other side, brushing and then tying that up, and it should look like this. Then after you've done that, you want to brush through the tip of the hair, and then start to twist up the hair in chunky twists, just one twist on both sides. Okay, that's how you're gonna do. Brush the other side again, and then you want to twist up the hair also in chunky twists. You want to make sure your twist is as fine as possible. Okay, then this is how it should look like. Then you want to basically tie up your hair just like that, cool, and then you want to pin that one side with the bobby pin, pin the other side with a bobby pin. It should look something like this. Brush the front of the hair, and your hairstyle is basically done. And you know what, you can go ahead and accessorize your hair. You can say that it's really looking like a butterfly wing. I really think it looks like a butterfly wing. I think it's nice. So go ahead and accessorize your hair with whatever accessory you have, beads, whatever it is, and your hairstyle, lazy simple hairstyle, is done. If you enjoyed my tutorial, please like, comment, and follow for more. Bye.